New addition to my workshop. Grizzly lathe. Still running good. Bought this from a fella off Craigslist. Real nice heavy duty table for it with casters underneath. It's about 31 inches between centers, 5-inch chuck. Tell you, it works great. This is just my little workshop. Small shed, but it does what I needed to do. Bought that air compressor at auction for 10 bucks. Data plate, it says on it 1947. The engine on it was one of the old cast iron engines. It was motor. It wasn't any good. Got that 5-horse electric motor at the auction for 5 bucks. Works great.